guys. Hey guys, today we are going to be opening fidgets. So let's do this. First fidget we're going to be opening, I need scissors. I'm back and we're going to get this squishy open. I don't know if it's a needle. It might be a needle. So that's exciting. Why are my cheeks red? Wow, my cheeks red. That's a little weird. Okay, so this is the it is a needle. So cool. Okay, let's open the next fidget. This fidget we're gonna open is this Pop-It. So let's open it. Scissors, where did you go? Ow, my hair. I just really like this squishy. It's like this star Pop-It. That's so good. Wait, let's try the good side. Seven out of 10. This is a 9 out of 10. And then next we're gonna open this infinity cube, right? I think so. So I don't have one of these, but so many people have these. I don't. It's the galaxy one. So many people have this one, and I don't. And so many people have that star one. I don't. So yeah. The cuff. Let's see how fast I can do this. Okay, guys, and if you see that picture right there, that's Taylor Swift. I love her. Like this video if you like Taylor Swift. If you don't, it's just go away. I'm kidding, guys. So I know, you probably know what this is. It's like, I have a good idea what to do with this. Be right back. So yeah, that's this one, and that's all the fidgets I got right now. But actually, I have some more stuff. And if you want to know where I got this stuff, actually, I don't know. So sorry. So sorry. Next stuff I want to show you guys is this guy. He has a mushroom, and this is him. I really like him. I'm gonna put him on my desk. And then I got 3 worry dolls. And if you don't know what a worry doll is, I will tell you. So basically, worry dolls are like tiny dolls, and you'll know they're them when they look like this, and and you know, if you have a worry, you just tell them your worry and then put them under your pillow. And I have some worry dolls that I'll show you guys. Hold on, let me go get them. So yeah, they're cool little things. Well, I don't put them under my pillow all the time because I'm trying to collect a lot, and then I'll put them under my pillow. But maybe tonight I'll put them under my pillow. I have 2 more. I have this one, and then I have this one. And yeah, they're little tiny dolls. So yeah, I'm gonna put my worry dolls in here. You have to keep them in a safe spot. like under your belt, you know? Don't lose them. Very, very, nice, I guess. So yeah, and then I got this pen. Twindle down on it. So yeah, that's all I got today, guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Turn on your notifications. I just said a lot. Okay, guys. One more thing. I put a sticky hand on the roof, and it's still there. It's been 4 hours. No, it's been like 6 hours. Because that was in the morning. It's not the morning. It's like noon. No. It's after afternoon. The afternoon. I don't know. It's like 4 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. I really don't know what time it is, so it might be wrong. It's still there. I will show you. I will show you. It's still up there. See, it's like falling. Hold on, let me turn my light. You can see it. Look, it's like falling down. Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe. Bye.